Okay. So, we're going to be making a plane called the Sabretooth. This is not my design. Well, partially because I made it better. I improved on the design. It's a lot easier to throw and control and stuff like that. I found it off of YouTube. Just look up Sabretooth paper airplane for the original design. Alright, so first things first. I'm sorry I don't have a paper airplane for you right now to show you what it looks like. But it doesn't matter what it looks like. All you want's a good plane, I know that. Unless you're going for looks, then this thing has looks and a good flight. Has like a double tip. Alright, just fold the corners down from here to there. Get that triangle. Flip it over, do the same to the other side. Sorry for the cat. You got that? Open it up, and on the side without the flaps, fold it down on this imaginary line right there. Alright, now that you got that, see the flaps, flip it over and fold it down, kind of like the first step. Fold the corners down so that the top meets this middle line right there, and you'll get that. Same with the other side. It's a really quick plane to make, easy. Not a lot of skill involved, really. Alright, you'll get that. See the pockets. Alright, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take it, flip it over on the side where it has like a little pocket there, and fold it in half right, I don't know if you can see it right there, so that this tip meets this tip. Alright, you got that? Flip it over, and you want to take this line and fold it to this line, but there's a catch. Just gotta stick your finger in the pocket like that, open it, and then smush it down so you get a point. I'll do it again for those of you who didn't understand that. See that? Like, kind of lift it up, straight up, and then push this edge, this fold crease, down to this crease right here. You'll see it in real life. God dang it, cat. Alright, and then the point where you did that, just fold it in half so that you got these on the bottom. Shouldn't have much difficulties folding it in half. Alright, let me just move. Sorry if I'm in your light. And then fold the wing down at the tip, straight across. So that it's like oops, sorry. Do the same on the other side. Alright, see, got a double tip right there. Alright, it's not done yet. Take this corner to this corner, and do not fold it though. Don't fold it. Not yet. You make those two touch, and then just make just a little, just pinch it a little right there, and then fold this line up to that little pinch mark right there. Okay, do the same on the other side. Push up to here, pinch a bit, and then fold up to the pinch mark. And then you're going to want to just bend the wings up a bit. Take those like that. Alright, now this is where the other design ends. The real Sabretooth design. And this is where my eye pick off. You can leave it like this, but I think it's much easier if you take only one of these, only one, and fold it up so that it's just like, you know, like about 3 millimeters from that tip where my fingernail is, so it's more weighted in the front. Push that down, and all I gotta do is fold that over, fold the wings over again, and there you got my improved version of the Sabretooth. If you like this video, like, favorite, subscribe. I don't care. I come out with at least one new video every week to 10 days because it's summertime and I can only do this stuff at night. And night's the only time I have for playing Xbox. So yeah, this is the only time I have. I'll do a test video of this one later. Sorry for the door slam, that wasn't me, it was my brother. So yeah, bye.